Yes. Yes, Lavanya, how are you? Very good. No, I don't coming in the good. Mashrik Bank. I already go there today for deposit normal one check. But I go again there, but already you send me the details. Then I will try anytime and then I will send you. Okay, okay, no problem. You send me the detail, then I pay. I am deposit. Don't worry.
I miss Meadows.
Because it's very nice place now.
Yeah, I miss this place. Oh my God. Having too much work, but you have a peaceful. You can walk morning, evening. You can relax.
Yeah.
Not same in apartment.
Yeah.
Even Meadows 9, I'm back. Dito kami nag-walking ni Nala, ni Chloe, ni Romeo, ni Dark at ni Oreo. Hello Christy, ka Mariel, ka Aryan, missing you all a lot. Dito ako ngayon sa Meadows 9, papunta kami ng Spinis. Drop ko si Nala doon sa Spring Soap para paggumpit. Paggumpit siya ng buhok niya. Oh my God. I miss this place.